Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 6 days ago, to be precise on June 17th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $3.52. And at this very point, my main assumption was that based on the previous price action, it has to have a movement to the downside that should first of all retest the level, the previous bottom that was established several days ago, and that is the price point of roughly $3.37. And guys, take a look right here. We were somewhere at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset went to the downside exactly as I predicted, retested this bottom and had the first bounce. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account. And guys, to be honest, within next couple of weeks, I will remove a couple of tiers, low-cost tiers. I will add much more perks, much more benefits for the safe haven tier and for the gold tier as well. And it is pretty much your last chance to join my Patreon with just $1 a day. And take a look, let me show you the sneak peek of my recent calls. Just yesterday, as you can see, I made this call on Netflix when the price of this asset was $1.227. It was at 1 a.m. And I told to my patrons that it is a new opportunity to short Netflix. Then, guys, I covered this price action in a live pretty much basis. And right here, I identified 3 price targets for Netflix. And we hit all of them. On top of that, I told to my patrons that they can put their stop loss orders in green and try to ride the trend, because we can hit much lower price targets. And guys, less than 24 hours before this call, I made another call, and it was a call on GME. Take a look right here. Wait a second, I will show you first of all the exact call. It was made on June the 10th. And it was a short put butterfly. You can see that within just several days it became profitable, and it was about 10% profit on the initial investment. This means, guys, 2 out of 2 successful calls within just a couple of days, and that is why you can rely on my technical analysis and you can join my Patreon for the low prices, for at least for now.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and I have to admit that this bounce might lead to 2 possibilities. I will explain you both of them, and I will show you what levels are crucial for NIO in the upcoming couple of weeks. But for now, let's continue with the fundamentals of this company. And first of all, I want to pay attention to the news that potentially could be a catalyst in the long-term perspective. If you take a look at cnvpost.com on NIO section, you can find a lot of news that was disclosed just recently, basically within last week. NIO partners with distributors to expand into more European countries. NIO has announced its entry to 4 new markets: Portugal, Greece, Cyprus and Bulgaria. And definitely it is a good news for NIO, because they will have more chances to sell their vehicles on much broader customers. And in general, guys, I have to admit that all other news might be quite interesting, but it is so minor news that cannot propel the share price of NIO. The most important one is right here. It is the China EV insurance registrations for week ending June 22nd. And NIO sold about 3,250 vehicles. And guys, I have to admit that, well, let me quote to this. NIO, including the NIO, Onvo and Firefly brands, saw 5.17 thousand insurance registrations in China last week, up 9.3% from the previous week. And definitely it is an improvement from previous 2 weeks. But at the same time, guys, a lot of other Chinese companies, let me show you right here, also have the same improvement. By the way, Tesla has a decline in their sales and in their registrations, but the majority of other Chinese auto manufacturers have this increase in their sales. And to be honest, guys, if you take a look on a bigger scale, wait a second, I will show you this chart again. This is the 1 year period for the NIO insurance registrations. And don't you think that NIO is in some kind of horizontal channel? They cannot break the upper border of this channel. They cannot have a sustained break from the upper border of this channel. Instead of this, they are moving sideways. And guys, this is the main reason why a lot of investors don't want to buy NIO shares, and this is the reason why the share price isn't growing, because the fundamentals of this company, well, is not supporting this movement. Let me show you the consensus analyst price target that reflects this activity. You can see that we have Goldman Sachs who upgraded their rating just 4 days ago, and they set a price target at $3.8 with an upside potential of about 11.44%. And the consensus analyst price target is hovering around $4. This means, guys, well, to be honest, it is not the highest price target for this stock for the next 12 months. It is just 16%. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, the market well, we are on pre-market trading hours, and NIO is up by 1.17%. The main reason of its bounce is definitely potential, well, relief in Middle East conflict that will definitely affect the entire world economy. And to be honest, I don't see a lot of bullish momentum for NIO in upcoming weeks. We have this bounce, this first bounce out of this range. But if the price retests this level again, most likely it will break it, and in this case 0.236 at $3.08 is the potential price target for its movement. And guys, let me mark this level for you as the potential range of support. We shouldn't break this range because in this case we still have a chance to have at least a chance to break its previous swing highs and to establish higher highs and higher lows on a smaller and then on a bigger scale. But if it breaks it to the downside, guys, the downtrend, at least medium-term downtrend, will be confirmed, and this movement of 5 waves structure will be confirmed as well. And the next level of support will be definitely somewhere between 3.10 and let's say $3 mark. So I prefer to do one step at a time, wait for the potential bounce to the upside, and if this asset forms this type of movement, if it has a bounce to the upside, then retracement without breaking this level again, and if it breaks this previous tiny swing high, in this case we will have a chance, we will have an opportunity to enter long position with an attempt to break its previous swing highs on a bigger scale. That is why, guys, be cautious, but yes, for now it doesn't mean that the potential uptrend has started, but it is just a chance with quite high risks, but let's say with a decent probability. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up.